Alright, as promised, I'm showing you a little bit what I got set up here. Got the new amp that I just picked up. It's the XA1000. It's rated at about 380 mono block. It's an older Eclipse, but it works pretty good. Subs, I've got the one MTX Thunder 4500 and the MTX enclosure. Front and rear, I'm running Kicker DS65 6.5 inch speakers. Up front, power and everything, running the Advent. Pretty clean radio, it's an older one. Navigation, DVD, USB, iPod controls. Here's your little sample. It starts clipping pretty good about 32, 33. I had it there at 30 and then pushed it up to 35. This is what I listen to most of the time, rock and roll. I can get over into hip hop area, give you a little taste of that.
Make you glad you came.
Well, hope you enjoyed it.